Hey viewers, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you about how you can set up your Dev C++ on your PC so that you can do C programming on your PC. And if you are Android user, then don't worry about that. I'm going to teach you though you are an Android user. So sit back, relax and enjoy the show. And before that, click on the like button and support this channel by clicking on subscribe button. And if you want this kind of informative videos, then click it on bell icon, which will enable after clicking on white subscribe button. So let's start it without wasting any time.
Okay, now open your Chrome browser and search Dev C++. After searching it, it's showing an official website about Dev C++, but we're not going to download it from this website. We're going to download from second website. Here you can see, and after clicking here, it should start downloading from about 3, 2, 1. Okay, so here you can see it is downloading, but I don't need this because I already downloaded it, so I'm just showing you how you can set up. Okay, so let's click it. So it is asking me a permission, so I'm just allowing it. So here you can see it is unpackaging the data, so just wait it. So here is asking me which language should I select, so I'm just going further about us English, and it is showing me an agreement about this. You can read it, but I'm skipping it by clicking on I agree. So here is showing me an setting about this, but I don't want any changes about this Dev C++, and I'm also recommended you do not change this type of settings. Okay, by clicking on next, you can see it is asking me a location where the data should kept after you done C programming. So you can change this location, but in my case I don't, so I'm just clicking on install, and here you can see the data are extracting. So let's wait after it's completed. So here you can see the process is completed, so I'm just clicking on finish, and after that it will automatically open the Dev C++, as you can see, and at first it will be blank. So let's create a new file by clicking on Ctrl N, so it will automatically create a file. You can see if you want to save this file, then you can't save it because of blank and you didn't write any of this, then your file would not save. So to save, you need to do some coding, I mean to say a full programming C, or you just at least type anything just like a number or anything. But in my case I'm just showing you this how you can save the file by I'm writing a library. So you can see as that include studio.s. so to save this file I'm just clicking on Ctrl S. So here you can see it is asking me where should I save this file, so I'm just saving this file as a desktop. So I'm just clicking on desktop, and I'm just giving a name, so you can name this file as you can. So I'm just giving a file name hello. To show you guys how this gonna run code, I have written a program to find the sum of two 2x2 matrix. Okay, how to run this code? Click execute option and select compile and run, or you can run directly with the help of key shortcut. Just press Ctrl plus F12, or if there is Fn on your keyboard, then press Fn and press F12. Now it is asking me give some number for matrix, so I'll just simply put some random numbers for the 2x2 matrix. So here you can see the result. The sum of two 2x2 matrix is this. So from here you can easily execute this type of C programming on your PC. So let's move on. Here you can see I'm using Android phone. If your phone is not Android, then don't worry, this works on every phone. So step 1, open your Play Store, and in step 2, search C programming app. and in 3 select any app. I'll choose this app. You can choose any app, it's your choice. So let's see the reviews of this. So I think it is good, so I'm just installing it. Step 4, open it. Step 6, write some code, and step 7, execute the code. For that, click on run and it will start compiling. So after it completed, it shows the result of that code. So here you can see, for the exit, press any key. From here you can do any C programming as you do on your PC. So this is great for the mobile user who don't have any kind of PC, so they can afford this. Here as you can see, I have written same code in here. To test this can run on this phone as it did on PC. So let's see the result. So yeah, it is working. So let's try by giving inputs. So I'm just giving a random numbers. Here you can see it is working same as on the PC. So this is good for the Android users. Okay, now let's move on how you can save this file on your file manager. Okay, here is a menu option at the top right corner, and click it there, and after that click it on save as option, and after that it will ask a permission to save this file on your file manager. So it will ask to provide a name for this file, but here comes an important part. You must put .c after providing any name, otherwise your file will not run. I'll put any name. For example, I'm just giving a name YT. Then after that click it on save, and now open the file manager of your phone. Then go to the download section and go to the C programming folder, which is coding C. Here you can see, and after that search for that file that you saved it. So here you can see I saved the YT. So after I clicking YT file, so it will directly open that, and here from here you can run that program as you can see. So that's much for today. This is the end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. We will again meet in this type of videos. Till then,
Peace.